time to clean out the fridge. Pretty sure it's been like a month since I've done like a really good fridge clean out. Bombastic side eye. I usually do it once every 2 weeks, but it's been busy, okay? So let's get started. This is what I talk about when I talk about my husband. We have a big box of pizza, okay? You would think, oh, there's a lot of pieces left over in here. Why? Why do you do this? Man, I swear. Which is literally gonna get bare when I'm done. Because one thing about me, when I started cleaning out the fridge, everything is going in the garbage. We are starting fresh and new because, do you see this? Ah! Oh my gosh, it's squishy! Oh, I found another Red Bull in the way back of the fridge. By the way, if you're in the Beaverton, Oregon area, I have almost a whole box of these that I'm giving away. I am not drinking them. Let me know if you want them. And she is clean. Like I said,